Hello guys, today our topic is a very important topic which is related to the concept and meaning of the money. As we know that money is everything right now. Money, it is considered as the medium of exchange. It helps in the measure the value and also it helps in the store the value. So today just I am going to discuss about the meaning, definition, evaluation and properties of money. Whenever we discuss about the what is the money is the things that is generally accepted by all the persons, and it is the human invention and a social agreement that assign value to an object or symbol, making it acceptable in exchange for the goods, services and debt repayment. Whenever we discuss about the definitions of the money, there are number of economists who try to define the money, but all the definitions are related to its functions. Like when F.A. Walker, according to the F.A. Walker, money is what money does. According to the Marshall, all those things which are generally current as a means of purchasing commodities and services. According to the Robertson, money is anything widely accepted in payment for the goods or obligations. According to the Crowthers, money is generally accepted as a medium of exchange, a measure and a store of value. Legal definition of money: money is the legal tender issued by the government or central bank like RBI. But all the definitions, actually it is not the meaning and definition of money, but it shows it's the function of the money. And whenever we discuss about the evaluation of money, the journey of money, it is started from the barter economy to the cryptocurrency, from barter system to the commodity money, then commodity money to the metallic standard of money, then paper currency and plastic money, electronics money and cryptocurrency. The first stage of the money, that is known as the barter system, where the goods are exchanged by the goods. It means that there is anything which are used as a medium of exchange. There is a lot of limitations under the barter economy because it is totally depend upon the coincidence, no common measure of the value. It is the problem of like the indivisibility and storage issues. And the second stage of the money, that is the commodity money, items with intrinsic value like salt, cattle, salt. It is no doubt it is widely accepted, but it has some drawback like the not portable and value varies from place to the place. And third very important stage of money, that is the metallic standard of money, like the gold standard of money and silver standard of money. Use of metal like gold and silver, standard and token coins. Advantages: it is the durable and divisible. Challenges: heavy for large transactions like that. And stage 4, it is the paper money issued by government and central bank. It is the fiat money. Fiat money are those money where the actual value and face value are differ. It means कि the face value, it is not equal to its intrinsic value. And it is the legal tender. It is lighter than metals like the gold standard and silver standard. Next stage of the money, development of money, that is the bank or credit money, like the bank deposit, checks, promissory notes, introduce credit creation, facilitating banking system like that. And next very important stage, which is considered as the plastic money, like credit, debit, prepaid card. The benefit of the plastic money, that it is the cashless, it is the convenient, and drawback, it is required banking infrastructure. Next stage is electronic money. Electronic money, it is the type of digital banking, UPI and wallet. It benefit, it is the fast and paperless, and it is 24/7 hours services, but concern should be regarding the cyber securities and digital divide. Next and last stage of the economic money, that is the cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, CBDC, decentralized blockchain based, challenges volatility, regulation, infrastructure, etc. Whenever we discuss about the essential feature of and properties of the money, it should be the durable, portable, divisibility, uniformity, acceptability, limited supply, and stability of the value. Thank you for today's discussion.